In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Trello to Notion the easy way, 5 minutes. If you're tired of copying tasks between tools, this walkthrough shows how to create a smooth two-way sync using a Trello power-up. No coding, just a few clicks, and you'll go from logging in to a working connection. Start by signing into Trello in your browser. Make sure you're in the right workspace and that you can manage power-ups on the board you plan to use. Having your Notion account open in another tab will make the authorization step quicker. Next, open the Trello board you want to sync with Notion, perhaps your projects or content board. If the board is private or shared, confirm you have permission to add power-ups. On that board, open the Power-Ups menu. You'll find it in the board header or the sidebar, and it's where you extend your board with extra features. Click Add Power-Ups to launch the directory. In the search bar, type Notion. You'll see options related to Notion integrations. Choose Notion plus Trello two-way sync. This power-up lets updates made in Trello reflect in Notion and vice versa, keeping both tools aligned. Click Add to install it on your board. Some organizations limit power-ups or require admin approval, and free workspaces may have caps. If you hit a restriction, check with your admin or workspace owner. Once added, look for the Unito icon in your board's power-ups area or header and click it to start setting up the connection to Notion. A window will prompt you to authorize access. Click Authorize so the integration can read and write to your Trello board. You can manage or revoke access later from your account settings if needed. From here, follow the on-screen prompts to complete syncing. You'll connect your Notion account, select the Notion workspace and database you want to sync, confirm the Trello board, and map key fields like card title to the Notion name, labels to tags, and due dates to date properties. Choose your sync direction, often two-way, and apply any filters, then start the first sync. When the setup finishes, give it a moment. Create a sample Trello card or update a Notion page and watch the change appear on the other side. If something doesn't show up, refresh, check permissions, and make sure the Notion database has the fields you mapped. And that's it. You've connected Trello to Notion the easy way in just a few minutes.